Hello everyone, this is Tahani Almadi. Today I want to talk about marijuana. First of all, what is marijuana? Marijuana is a drug that is created from crushed, dried plants or flower. There are too many ways people use marijuana. They use it by smoking, vibrating, and eating. So, what's the debate of marijuana? There are two groups thinking differently. Some people of a group think that marijuana should be illegalized, and uh, other group think that marijuana should be illegalized. So there are 21 states and 2 territories. They legalized marijuana, so they become eat it in usual life, every day, at any time, any day. And there is other group that they say that marijuana should be illegalized. So there is 37 states and 2 territories. They say that marijuana should be illegalized, and it is illegalized in these 37 states, but they use it only for medical issues, like in the hospitals and that things. So the legalization of marijuana. What's good about using marijuana? Marijuana help in forgetting their problems, relieve anxiety and sadness. Also, they feel more energized. Moreover, it improves the economic growth and increase taxes. So by buying marijuana, the the tax become increase. On the other side is marijuana should be illegalized. The negative about it is that many people get health issues. For example, lungs health issues, heart disease, and several other problem, other health issues. Also, the economy become decrease. The economy become decrease. Why? Because uh, people stop buying marijuana. When people not use marijuana, the economy become decrease. Also, the tax become decrease. In my opinion, I believe that marijuana should be used only for medical use, because marijuana make several issues for people, and many people die of using marijuana. Moreover, there is many students who use marijuana without knowing uh, the bad things about it. So they think of it like it's a candy, which is a very big problem. And there is links that say about marijuana should be legalized, and links that say marijuana should be illegalized. That's all. Thank you, and see you in other assignments.